Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can get pre-approved for a Sam's Club credit card with a MasterCard logo. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you where you are in your credit journey. And with this channel, we are about credit education and not credit repair. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now, with the Sam's Club MasterCard, you'll be able to use this card anywhere to rent a car, actually rent a hotel, Airbnb. You will be able to not just only use this card at Sam's Club, but wherever you need to use the card that will accept MasterCard. So let's jump into some of the data points and details of this card. Now, if you've been following my information, I tell you guys the best way to increase your credit score if you're under a 700 credit score is to add unsecured lines of credit cards. So with this credit card, you can get pre-approved to see if you will be in the category of what customers they're looking for this card to qualify. So the way the pre-approval process works, you can go in to see if you're pre-approved by entering in your information, and the company will let you know if you are pre-qualified, meaning you and your credit profile fit in the description what they are looking for a customer. Now, this is not always 100%. Generally, if you're pre-approved, there is an 85% chance that you would get the card, but there are cases where you can still be denied even if you pre-approve. If you decide to process the application, it will result in a hard inquiry pull. Either way, whether you get the approval or not get the approval. But the positive part of doing pre-approvals, if you do not fit in the category of a credit profile that the company is looking for, you just don't automatically get a hard inquiry. So you're just not aimlessly applying for credit cards, because when you apply for credit cards and get a hard inquiry, it do decrease your credit score from 3 to 5 points each time. But if you are a person with a credit score under 700, even if you have negative items, you don't have to remove those negative items if that company will still accept you, even with that negative charge off or collection, depending on their approval and underwriting for their company, you can still be approved for a card, get a credit card, and you will see your score increase from on average of 50 points once that card report on your credit report. So this can help you build credit. And with Sam's Club, they offer their credit card through Synchrony Bank. Synchrony Bank take credit scores as low as a 640 credit score where you can be approved. They don't really have real super high credit scores that they are looking for. And with Sam's Club, they do have this MasterCard, but they also have a Sam's Club card, which is a closed loop card that you can qualify for, that you would just be able to only charge products from Sam's Club. But if you hold that card, if you don't get approved for the MasterCard, you can convert the card over to the MasterCard version where you can use it anywhere. And that's usually in 6 months. The other positive part about Synchrony Bank, you can apply for credit line increases with a soft inquiry pull. So with Synchrony, if you get the card, even the Sam's Club card, you can get bigger lines of credit just with a soft pull. And what I tell you guys, if you're a person with those very small credit card lines, banks generally only trust you as far as the last bank trusts you. So if you want bigger lines of credit, you have to start getting larger lines of credit reporting on your credit report. So when you apply for the next credit card, the next company will give you a larger line because they see another bank trust you with a larger line already. So with Synchrony, it's easier to do that because it won't resort into a hard inquiry pull when you ask for a credit line increase. Now, with Sam's Club, they are doing this soft credit pull pre-approval process, but in order to apply for the Sam's Club card, you do have to be a member of Sam's Club. Now, it is being underwritten by Synchrony Bank. And like I mentioned, you need at least a 640 credit score, and they will be pulling through TransUnion. So make sure you check your TransUnion credit score to be sure that you have a 640 credit score at minimum to fully apply for this card. That is my recommendation. Even if they pre-approve you, just be careful if your score on TransUnion is below a 640 credit score. Now, with this credit card, they offer 5% cash back at Sam's Club, 2% for members at Sam's Club, and that's on Sam's Club cash on eligible in-club purchases, 3% cash back with the Sam's Club cash on Sam's Club purchases for Plus members. So Sam's Club do have two different types of membership. The basic membership, which is $45. Now that's you're going to have to by bare minimum have that membership, and it's $45 annually. And I believe the Plus membership is around $100, and you get more bonuses when you have the Plus membership and the card. But in order to even see if you pre-qualify, you have to be a member of Sam's Club to apply for this credit card. They do give you 5% back on gas. So that's a great bonus because Sam's Club itself have discounted gas prices, and you can get an additional 5% back on gas if you have this card. They also give you 3% back on dining and 1% back on any other purchases. Now, their interest rates for this card will vary, and that will be dictated on your credit score. So they do not offer you having any annual fees. So that in itself, that's a bonus for you to have no annual fees. And with this card, they do offer you the cash back. You do have more bonuses if you do have the Sam Club membership at the Plus level for the $100 membership. Now, with your APR, depending on your credit score, it's going to be from 17.90% to 25.90%. And like I said, that is dictated on your credit score. If you like to apply for this card and see if you are at least pre-qualified and you're a Sam's Club member, I'm going to have the link for this pre-qualification in the description of the video. I'm also going to leave the link in the pinned comment section. So if you guys are trying to build credit, getting credit cards is a great option because debt to income is 30% of your credit score. So available credit to income. I'm sorry, I said debt to income, but it's credit versus debt. Your ratio is 30%. So how much debt versus how much available credit that you have is 30% of your credit score, which is your utilization. So if you're a person that already have some credit card debt, you need to get some unsecured lines of credit. So this is a way to do that. Also, if you have some trouble payment history, by having credit card payments paid on time, that add positive payments to help balance out that negative late payments in the past on other accounts. So this can help you in both ways. Now, if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave your questions in my comment section. But if you have personal questions, you can go to my website and submit your questions, and they go directly to my cell phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.